Hello friends, welcome to Learn O Grow. As I said, I am going to lift you from your very basic level to advance. But as you know, only just watching daily shortcut to create emoji will not make you a pro in Word. You need to explore all the tabs and buttons of the Word. You need to practice them, and also along with that you need to increase your typing speed so that you can comfortably create documents. In the coming videos, I will let you know the websites and apps where you can practice for free. Also, I will let you know using voice typing, but before you should have hand on manual typing because everywhere voice typing not work. So I am going to build a playlist and will name it Very Basic of MS Word for Beginner. And there I will upload MS Word tutorials. One thing more, in these videos I will keep you updating with MS Word Pro tips. My MS Word version will be 2019, but you don't worry, even if you have lower version the thing explained will work. I know there's a high chance that most of you would be having the previous version and even working on Windows 7 or 8. So I will try to cover those differences, and if something left of, you can let me know in comment. So stay connected with Learn O Grow and keep learning and keep growing. And one thing more, you need not to worry about Excel, PowerPoint, database, etc. I will cover all those. So that's all for this introduction video. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.